sovereignty of imperial states. Yes, it is. So your professor friend was correct. Ukraine is a country. Ukraine is a state. Ukraine can be a nation state. And Ukraine has a particular regime. And right now, a particular government run by Zelensky. But when you compare it to Russia, which is an empire and determines the level of sovereignty that Ukraine can have, that's a whole different subject.
Yes.
So, you know, and the same thing with Iran.
Yes.
Iran was just attacked on June 13 for a 12-day war. Its sovereignty was violated. But the international law that the United States institutionalized since World War II, the sovereignty of the country, of each country, every country, is sacred. It's international law. That's US-made law. It's a law that they made for themselves, US made for itself, and obviously it can violate it anytime. It violated in Afghanistan. It violated it in Iraq. It is violating it in Syria. It has violated many times in Iran. So we cannot, in fact, we cannot, at least people from the third world countries and colonized people, must not buy into this idea that we are sovereign under these colonial conditions. So colonial conditionality is so real. But sometimes in the scholarship community, in fact, we fall into the same trap, conceptual trap, that the imperialist conceptualization of world order, the naturalization of this world order has created for us. And I, in my scholarship, I question these colonizing concepts. Not that they're not real. Again, I'm emphasizing they are obviously real because there's power behind it. Soft power and hard power. But that doesn't mean that's the only way it should be. And should we not recognize it? And a whole lot of time, many countries, people, nations, scholars, and parties, unfortunately, they take these concepts too seriously.
Yes.
Too seriously.
Professor
For example,
Sharifi,
the Iranian government writes and relies on the international institutions as if these international institutions are there to create equality among nations.
yes, I agree. Professor Sharifi,